So welcome back, YouTubers. We're on a 98 Jeep Wrangler. We have this well-known actuator pin that's in the ignition. First thing it do is one bolt tamper torques I already took out right there. There's two push clips right here where you push each side in. I used a curved pick whenever I was doing it to push each side. After you get that out of the way, you can see where the pin is half broken. Very common on all these. Chrysler, Jeep. That comes with PT Cruisers, a lot of different. Now we're going to take the rest of it apart to switch it out. The part you're going to want to use is a Dorman part number.
If I view it this way, they'll still be able to see it.
Yeah, let's see. Two more screws. They are tamper torques. T10.
Spring behind it too. To remove the lock cylinder, you got to turn the key to a certain position. Press and pull.
That's what I see. It broke.
So on the new and old one, you can see the piece that broke off.
This one is complete. Show this one. You see the old one. You have to read it. It comes with the kit. You have to install it. Possibly. Yeah. Yeah, that part. What else comes another spring right here, which goes into the bottom section. Old and new, it sits in this circle. Not this peg. Slide this back in place. Kind of tricky part is getting that spring to stay right where you want it. Center. a certain spot. It should be in the wrong position. I lined all this up. Locks in. Supposed to. This is the switch part of it. Should be on my last position. Let's do this one.
Turn on accessory maybe on that one. On the back side, not accessory, but
Windshield wipers.
It's that little pin. It's not. It's just not going that plastic piece isn't going where it needs to go. It's on, it's just. Yeah. Let's put that one other torch back right here. All you're seeing is my hand.
I don't know. And that screw is back in place.
That's ready to go. Right back on the road.
I mean, besides that, you had to put a thing back on unless you're just gonna drive like that.
Push the button on. Finish it up.
But, Subman like to Affordable Mobile Auto Repair for more vids.